Welcome to NeoScienceHub, Mr. Obrad Kovanovic, Global Representative of HiperScan from Germany. Thank you so much for coming to NeoScienceHub office. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Just tell our viewers about near-infrared spectroscopy and how is it useful to the industry.
Thank you for welcoming me, Doctor. This is a very nice opportunity to be here. We are since many years in the near-infrared spectroscopy and in this business, and as a part of it, we are proud to tell you that we are helping the clients by improving the production cost, controlling the quality, and reducing the time. So as you know, those are one of the three main objects that are necessary to do to create, to become a very better and better company and to improve yourself and your processes that you have. So near infrared is one of the tools that you can use, which is very effective and helps our customers.
Very nice. That was a very good answer. Going forward, where do you think are the challenges in different industry from a near-infrared spectroscopy perspective?
Interesting question that you're asking. In these days that we are fighting today, the whole industry is having some troubles with getting proper people working, so the employment status. The second part is that the people are fighting as increasing production costs. So they are going to do and fight with possibilities. How can they reduce their production cost? And one of the very big problems is controlling the quality. So controlling the quality, the process, the raw materials, the semi-finished products, the finished products, all of those problems the customers and the production companies are dealing on a daily basis. And there is infrared coming as one of the tools which can in 10-15 seconds provide them with amount of answers that they will conduct to the producers to reduce the production cost, that will help them to become even better, faster, more predictable, and that's very good.
Very nice, very nice. HiperScan is a very big company, global company. It's a big name in Germany. I know you have sold many instruments there. What is the plan for India market?
The plan. We were searching for a long period of time a proper strategic partner in India. What does this mean? This means that we didn't want to have a partner who is just selling devices. We wanted to have a partner who is going to be as well a partner of the customer. So near-infrared technology is nothing like a banana you sell and you run away. It is more a full analyzing system that you need to be in very close contact with the customers. And the brain of the full analyzing system is on one part the spectrometer, but on the other part the application. And the application is very important because there we are very strong and we help our customers. We are developing with them suitable solutions, and what is very important, we are not only for a short period of time there, we are for a long period. So this is one of the big advantages that we are there for our customers, not only to sell and not only in a short after sales, in a long-term period. And that was our plan, to go to India and to find a strategic partner, and we found a Smart Lab Tech. Smart Lab Tech is from my opinion, from opinion of our board of directors, an excellent partner to go into the Indian market, to give the solutions to different type of industries, not only in pharmaceutical business, as well in the food industry, maybe in polymer industry. And our solutions are not only for the laboratory, they are as well for the production lines. So the strong sales force that Smart Lab Tech is having is, from our point of view, a big plus for us, and we're really looking forward to become a very reliable partner in Indian market for the customers.
Very nice. Thank you so much for those nice words. My next question is, you have been visiting customers around this country. What is your feedback? How do you think the market is reacting to NIR spectroscopy?
First thing, visiting these kind of beautiful countries for me a huge enlargement for my knowledge and for my heart. So the people are so friendly, the people are so nice, and this is for me I feel really safe and nice here. And they are all open-minded, and they are all direct. And this will help not only us, this will help them. So together, I found out that there are a few challenges that they are dealing right now, and we have conducted a workshop, we did some visitings, and all of these informations, cooperations that we did so far, we got a huge amount of informations that the challenges that the single one are having, we will help them. And we will develop together with them the certain applications. We will develop with them together with Smart Lab Tech a very good after sales, and we are really looking forward for many good clients here in this area.
Very nice, brilliant. What are the different applications of NIR spectroscopy where industries can accept and use your instrument?
That's a cool question. We are very strong in the meat industry, and how does this work? We developed together with our application department and our technology team in the wavelengths between 1000 and 1900 spectrometers and spectras that are suiting many different types of the industries. In the meat industry, in the fish industry, in the cheese industry, we developed, in some others as well, we developed a very nice variety of global applications. And with these global applications, we can approach different types of markets. Based on these different types of markets, we could get a huge amount of customers. So how does this work? If we want to develop a new application, we will take, the customer will receive one full analyzing system finder, and then he will take the spectra, he will take his samples, then he will send the same samples to the external laboratory, and in the external laboratory, when he receives the results of the external laboratory, we will marry them together, the results, and based on these results, we will do the application. And this application will grow and grow and grow until we is totally satisfied with it and working without any problem. Sometimes it takes 3 months, sometimes it takes a little bit longer. And our clients are enjoying the cooperation with us, and I'm looking forward as well to help the Indian clients to enjoy in the same way, and that they are not left alone. This is very big important thing, that we will provide them for a long period of time, always the updates and applications. The same thing is for the pharmaceutical market. We have a huge database of more than 1,200 compounds that can be analyzed in liquid and solid samples. So we are enlarging this with new producers, with new batches. So this is a living database, and this living database will be uploaded every 3 to 4 times per year. So our Apo-Ident analyzing solution users really having a reliable database and reliable market that we can approach them. And those are the pharmaceutical companies, pharmacies around the world.
This is your first visit to India, and how often do you want to come back, or what's your opinion?
I was working, the question is very cool. I was working on a cruise ship, and on a cruise ship I met a huge amount of people from all around India, and they always invited me and come and join us and visit my family and visit from the other one the family. So now I understand why they were telling this, because it's a huge and nice place, and it's overcrowded in the cities, but it's okay. They are all living. You go out and everything is living, and this is very nice. And they are all full of warm heart, and I'm very happy to be here.
So basically you have two instruments of NIR. One is for identification, one is for identification and quantification.
Precisely, this is right.
So do you want to tell more about?
Of course. The Apo-Ident is our analyzing system that is used for identification. So you just put your raw material on top of it, and within 5 seconds you will get results. So it is 500 times measuring the sample, and based on the average of the measurement there will be a result. Our range that we are moving are between 98 and 100% accuracy, and this is very important in the pharmaceutical business, that we are not making any mistakes. On the other side, we have a second analyzing system. It's called Finder analyzing system, and with the Finder we are doing the quantification. So everything what is organic and everything what is more than 1%, you can see it by NIR, and you can quantify it. So you take a simple piece of meat and you can say within 10 seconds. Why 10 seconds? Because in this matter we are measuring 2000 times, and within 10 seconds you will receive your results of the parameters for fatty acids, for protein, water, ash, salt, collagen, and with these informations you can control your quality, so you will always want to have the same results. You can reduce your cost, production cost. You would like to not throw away real money, and you can save time. You are not waiting anymore for 1 week or 2 weeks for external laboratories. This is not only applicable to the meat market, this is applicable to the fish market, to the cheese market, to the pasta market, to the fish, to the rice market, to the grains, in many other industries as well.
Okay, Mr. Obrad, you've been tasting Indian cuisine. What is your opinion? Now that I know that you are an expert on cuisines and all, you've done your studies on that. What is your opinion about Indian cuisine and Indian dishes?
That's a cool question. First thing is I'm missing my wife here, because when we are traveling to get to know more about different types of cuisines. And what is very important is I finally tried the biryani paradise, and nice. That was a really cool and successful taste for me, because it's so simple dish. And the cuisine, they say it's very complicated, but on the end of the day it's so clean, so cool. So you have all spectra of the dishes that you can feel in your mouth: sweetness, saltiness, and the spiciness, of course, spiciness, and many more. So I'm very happy to have enjoyed the different types of the flavors, and thank you for it.
You enjoying this better than the Western cuisine and other countries' cuisine, or how?
Of course. This cuisine is very unique, and you cannot compare this cuisine to West European cuisine, to East European cuisine, to American cuisine. This is a totally different style. So based on this style, you need to feel India and to taste India. So I had the chance to taste India, and it was great.
Brilliant. So next time we want your family also to join us, so we'll host them also to Indian cuisine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Obrad. It was a pleasure talking to you. It was very nice understanding you and your personal talks about India, and it was great having you.
Thank you, Mr. Or better say Dr. Subramanian. Thank you. That
Thank
was
you
a
so
very
much.
cool
Yeah.
time to be here. Thank you very
so
much.
Okay, thank you very much.